Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new smartwatch, which is the Huawei Watch GT Runner. And in this video, I will be testing out my heart rate. So this watch has the heart rate sensor right there in the middle on the back of the watch. So yeah, I'll be testing out my heart rate. And according to Google, a normal resting heart rate for adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the test. So I'm just going to open up the Huawei Health application and then go to Health Monitoring. And I'm going to turn off continuous heart rate monitoring. And then on the watch, I'm just going to go to heart rate. So just go into the settings here and select heart rate. So I'm going to put the watch on my wrist. Back in a second, guys. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I've got the watch on my wrist. Hopefully it's on tight enough. So I'm just going to go ahead and select heart rate and start the test. Okay, so please hold your arm steady and try again. Okay, so my hand was steady. Let's try again. Okay, guys, so I've just tightened it up a bit more. Hopefully it should be okay. Let's try again. Okay, so that's it for the test, and it says 68 beats per minute, which by Google, according to Google, that's a normal heart rate. So yeah, not bad, 68 BPM. Okay, if you want to continuously run the heart rate monitor right throughout the day on your wrist, whilst the watch is on your wrist, just go into the health application, select devices, health monitoring, and just enable continuous heart rate monitoring. Turn it on. And then on the watch, when you go into the settings and select heart rate, it will continuously monitor your heart rate throughout the day. As you can see the little chart there, and my heart rate is getting monitored right now as we speak. Okay, guys, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.